Congratulations! Not only are you a part of a fast-growing industry, but you are in the beginning stage of becoming an entrepreneur. Today we will talk about glue's curing principle, use and storage. I believe you will be interested because it is very important. Eyelash extensions glue is the thing that will hold everything together, literally. Adhesive is probably the most important part of each service. Finding an adhesive that you can trust is vital to your career. The ingredient of adhesive. Eyelash extension adhesives are all currently cyanoacrylate based. The primary ingredient is usually ethyl cyanoacrylate. Thickeners, fillers, stabilizers, and colorants may also be added during manufacture to change color, reduce brittleness, increase flexibility, improve shelf life, etc. Do you know the principle of curing? Cyanoacrylate adhesives are acrylic resins that require water or moisture to polymerize or cure. Curing time, also drying time, has always been one of the attributes that lash artists are very concerned about. Initial drying refers to the initial curing time. The speed of the complete curing time is closely related to the bonding substrate, temperature, and relative humidity. Faster curing time can effectively block allergens and reduce allergic reactions. 1 minute curing speed can reach 60%. 24 hours, 100% curing. Different glue volume and environment. Different curing time nodes. This is why we suggest do not get lashes wet for the first 24 hours. There are many factors that affect the curing speed. Relative humidity. The best relative humidity range is 45 to 55%. Below 45% or above 55% will affect the curing speed. Temperature. The curing speed increases with increasing temperature. Bonding substrates. Different types of substrates, different curing speeds. The smaller the amount of glue, the faster the curing speed. Gap. The larger the gap, the slower the curing. Different substrates and glues, the speed is different. Accelerator. Speed up curing. How to increase the lasting time. 1. Surfaces to be natural lashes are cleansed, rinsed, and dried before application. 2. Humidity and temperature of your working environment are within the ranges recommended for use of your product by your supplier. 3. Working environment is well ventilated. 4. Adhesive product is fresh. Adhesive dispensed from the bottle is not stringy or gloopy or developed to skin. 5. Adhesive layer between the extension and natural lash is as thin as possible. 6. Extensions are bonded tightly and securely, working from zone to zone, eye to eye at a speed appropriate to your adhesive drying time. 7. Lashes and eye areas are gently dried at the end of treatment. Storage and safety. Keep the glue out of the reach of children. Avoid direct sunlight or high-temperature storage. Stored in a closed container such as a glass or plastic storage tank, the container has a sealed lid to remove moisture from the container, and in a cool place. The best storage temperature is 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. It is recommended to store it in cold storage. Below 35 degrees Fahrenheit or above 46 degrees Fahrenheit will adversely affect the performance of the glue. Exposure to a small amount of moisture or even moisture in the air will cause polymerization to occur and cause the product not available. Shelf life. Unopened for 6 months, under guaranteed storage conditions. 1 month after opening, if the storage conditions and methods of use are followed. Glue may cause eye irritation or allergic skin reactions. Eye contact. If eye sticking occurs, keep eyelids open, rinse with plenty of water for 15 minutes and seek medical attention. Do not use any solvents to flush the eyes and their surroundings. Skin contact. If the skin is sticking, apply it carefully with cream remover or gel remover. Wipe and wash after 2 to 3 minutes. Be smart with your adhesive use. 1. Shake a few times before use, the bonding effect is better. 2. 2. If you put down a small bead of adhesive on your crystal, you can use most of it before it starts curing. 3. Cover stickers or tape are great for keeping things clean. You can drop the glue on the sticker or tape. 4. After use, dry the mouth of the bottle with non-woven fabric, tighten the cap, and place in a cool place. 5. When you are applying the adhesive, if it pulls strings, a fresh bead should be dispensed. 6. Make a new bead every 15 to 20 minutes and don't add to the same spot. Adding new adhesive to a bead that has started to cure is asking for trouble. Why humidity and temperature in your work area matters. Generally, the higher the relative humidity in the work area, the faster your adhesive will cure. However, room temperature also influences the curing process. For example, if humidity is low, but the temperature is higher, trying to bring your humidity level up by introducing additional moisture could cause the adhesive to cure too quickly. Preferred temperature and humidity. A consistent relative humidity range between 45% and 55% is best. Optimal room temperature range for adhesive curing is 68 to 75. Next lesson, we will introduce a brand new glue. You can call it Smart Control Glue. It is totally different from previous products. See you next time.